Hello everyone, Andy here. So today I want to show you the starting point of this lighting project for this cabin which I'm working on. Actually the name of the place is Parmischinas. That's why I called the videos like this. So this one is the old fixing which was there for the kitchen area, or what you, it's the place where you cook. It's very tiny. So the problem was this one wasn't lighting up anymore. Maybe I can show you. It's compact fluorescent type of thing. It's I don't know if it's visible here. Probably not. Like this. It's for a PL 11 watt for P means for the 4 pins here. 12 volt. It runs on 12 volt DC. 1.1 amps. It's for a range of 10.8 to 15 volts. Starting time at 20 degrees, 1 to 2 seconds. From minus 80 to plus 40. Yeah, that's about it. So, let's try this now. Plus is here, minus is here. Let's start. Yeah, I set it here to 13 volts. Actually draws 108 milliamps like this, but it's not lighting up. So if you stick it in, it works. But if you just now it works again, strangely. Actually, when I was up there, I always had to pull out the bulb or the lamp and put it back in that it started. So no, now it's working again. Nonetheless, something is not good with this guy. Maybe it's now because it's already heated up. You see, now it's not starting. But it's drawing 900 milliamps. Yeah, great stuff. So, and if you now pull the bulb, put it back in, then it lights up. So there is something broken in here. So let's turn off the power supply. Okay. And now. So it wasn't working, and they told me to fix it or to check it or whatever. So when I was up there, we just used it like this. I just pulled always but it's not really handy because usually this cover is on. I just left the cover off there. So I thought maybe it's fixable. You don't know. But let's check. Screwdriver. So actually you can see here, or you can't, I don't know. Is it visible now? Brr. Come on, like this. Now we see it here. This it's bulging here, so thought maybe it's fixable. Yeah, let's check. And here on the back side it's as well. It's probably yeah, electrolytic capacitor blue or something like this. But then it's not possible to pull it out, so fuck it. But then it's podded in here, and it's this hard stuff here, not soft podding, so it's impossible to fix this. So that's why I started the project with the LED stuff. So the last times you saw me putting together an LED strip in a aluminium profile. So that's thought for the kitchen, where this one was. But the rest of the cabin is also just this one you can leave out. It just goes to the recycling. Yeah, upstairs there is only just a lamp inside the lamp holder. It's not really nice, and the bulbs are all the compact fluorescent type. I'm not a fan of these either. I have ordered some bulbs, some LED bulbs, 12 volt. These I'm gonna try out. Then I have another lamp which I plan to put upstairs where the sleeping area is. I have to try out this one, and yeah, then I have a few other options. I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not. So that's for this, and next time I will do the lamp for the upstairs, for the sleeping area, and try out how we can run these on 12 volt, because it's not actually 12 volt, but you will see. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and all this stuff, because otherwise this channel will never pick up speed. And yeah, thank you, and see you soon. Bye bye.